minute, and I wanted to show you what I have in this box. My beautiful mother ordered some stuff, and we're gonna have a look. So this is Thrive and Thrive Market, and we have two specific diets in our household, and that is gluten-free and keto. So we ordered some stuff for both, and we're gonna have a look at what they are. Our favorite paper. We got Labar Kids. I can't spell or read. Looks like that. They're gluten-free. Looks like little snack bars. Yeah. It's Christmas. Oh, what is that? Is this Wonder Noodles? Gluten-free. It feels kind of strange. Like, really, I really actually don't know the texture. If you ever imagine what a jellyfish would feel like, this is it. We got something else gluten-free, Italian herb coating mix. Ooh, this could be like great for like Thanksgiving, I guess. Like seasonings. Breading. Got those. Ooh. Organic. Is it like garlic? Powder? I don't know. Parmesan garlic gold. Ooh. Tomato basil soup. Ooh. Tomato basil. An egg. No. Oh, this is, that just feels like it's gonna exfoliate your skin. It's everything I've ever wanted. A jar. This is apple butter. Ooh. Organic. Wait, focus. Focus. Aha. Apple butter. That is all that is in the box. And Thrive Market also caters to different like allergies. Gluten-free, they'll send gluten-free if you're vegan, keto. If you have a nut allergy, dairy allergy, they have stuff for that. You just select which one and they'll provide the stuff and send it to you for, I guess, however long you need. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the information. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!